back to another Travel 101 experience. Before we get started, we would love to know where you're watching from. Let us know in the comments below. Recently, on an Italian road trip, we visited and stayed in an Italian villa called Villa Stecchini in Bassano Del Grappa. This villa dates back to the 1600s, and the Stecchini family still lives there today. It's one of the few remaining Venetian villas still inhabited by the family, so we knew this would be a really unique experience. Upon arriving at the villa, we parked our car in their free parking and head to check in. The check-in area looked like a main dining area or entertaining room, still with all the vintage furniture. We were shown to our room, which was the Gemma apartment, as there were 4 people staying with us. Upon first impressions, you could really feel the history and charm. There was a dining room area with a large round table, and this led onto a kitchen. The kitchen appeared to have all the modern amenities you would need, such as a fridge, stove, microwave, and a dishwasher. But most importantly, a coffee station. In the living room, there was a seating area with a TV. The first bedroom had 2 single beds and a dressing table, leading on to a bathroom that had modern touches. This was a good surprise. The second bedroom was large and had a queen bed. Like all the other rooms in this home, it was beautifully decorated with what appeared to be a lot of original decor. But the best part, or my personal favourite, was we had our own window with a view of the property. The Gemma apartment was quite spacious, and you could really feel and see the history here. Just outside our room, there was a space that was shared by all the guests and is where we found a pool table. It was getting quite late, so we turned in as we wanted to explore the property a little bit more in the morning in daylight. The next morning, we headed down for breakfast in the basement. Just like the rest of the property, the breakfast room had so many more original features and was decorated to match. Breakfast consisted of coffee, eggs, fruit, baked goods, and a few other bits. Just outside the room was another restaurant. During the day, you could really appreciate the property and its old historic charm. We had a nice morning enjoying the property and walking through it, and there were so many beautiful animals around. Sadly, it was time for us to pack up and continue on our trip. We hope you enjoyed watching our stay at this beautiful Italian villa. Don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with all our Travel 101 experiences. Thank you so much for watching, and we really look forward to seeing you in our next video.